I'm sure you've heard this before. Create a product people want, and your business will succeed. And to a point, that's true, but not 100%. Because before you can create a product people want, you have to become the kind of person who can. People forget, businesses don't create products. People do. So what kind of person creates something that truly solves a real problem? It's the kind of person who knows their strengths, whose temperament actually fits the work, who's done the inner work so they can build something solid on the outside. That's what I call person-business fit. And without that, you're unlikely to ever hit product-market fit. Let me be real with you. I learned this the hard way. Years ago, I used to buy every 6 Steps to Success system out there. Courses on how to sell ebooks, online products, digital courses, you name it. I followed the steps. I implemented everything. But the business never worked like the teacher said it would. And here's why. I didn't have their grounding. I didn't have their temperament. Their model worked for them, but not for me. It took me a long time to realize you can't force someone else's blueprint onto your life. And you can't skip the self-awareness stage and expect your product to land. This is why so many people stay stuck. Trying, buying, burning out, chasing product market fit, without ever asking, is this even the right business for me? There's research on this. The Effectuation framework teaches that expert entrepreneurs start with what they already have. Who I am, what I know, whom I know. That's the foundation, not the idea. Even Harvard says self-awareness is one of the key traits of top entrepreneurs. They build around their strengths, not against them. So here's my question to you. How can you build a business that works if you don't know what you're actually good at? Let me know what you think. Have you ever felt this? Let's talk.